Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to another episode, another banging episode. Welcome back to Vibes and Insight with Nando, with yours truly, Nando. Today's episode, I will be reviewing and breaking down and reacting to a song from none other than Alkaline by the name of Motivation. And for all those out there who love motivational songs, I know you're gonna like this one and this banging reaction. So before further ado, let's just jump right into the song and hear what he has to say. Pull up. Pull up. What's it dada? What's it dada? First things first. Man's is saying a test justified. A way for just work harder. Man's is spitting. Like someone speaking to on a podium to a room full of people, or speaking to a school of graduates, leaving high school, leaving college, whatever. That's what he's giving. He's speaking to people in the opening world, in the outer world, like students, school kids leaving school, going out there in the outer world, trying to understand what the future is going to be like. So he's speaking like that to everyone out there. And let me tell you, bro, this song is one of my number one songs. And this song I listen to every day. Maybe not every day, but every other day I listen to this song, bro. Motivation. Because sometimes we lack motivation, and we tend to see into things, whether music, whether reading, whatever it may be. But for me, music is my go-to. Music is my one, bro. Music is my one-to-one, bro. Without music, I don't know how I could go on. So let's jump right back into it. Wait, pull up. What? Pull up. Steadfast with that thing like harder. Beat the pressure, man, I beat it like a sledgehammer, bro. Feel the pressure, man, I beat it like a sledgehammer, never need that at the pledge. Concentrate on all the feet and make nothing drive it to the edge. My word. Man, I speak the ad-libs them so keenly and so precise. Feel the pressure, man, I beat it like a sledge. I never need it to the pledge. Never kneel. With the pressure, bro. With the pressure in life, never kneel, bro. Never kneel, never bow. Never call quits. Always fighting. Always pushing on. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Concentrate all up your head. Concentrate all up your head. Make nothing drive it to the edge. Concentrate on all your feet, bro. Make nothing drive it to the edge. That's what Alkaline is saying. And that's what I've been saying in my life. To myself, in my head, I'm speaking to myself saying, yo, concentrate, bro. All up your head. Make nothing drive it to the edge. And that's why I listen to this song every day, bro. Concentrate anything you want in your life. Put your mind to it. Stay focused. Hold up your head. Make nothing drive you to the edge. And that's what Alkaline is saying. How can songs like this not blow up? I don't think people know music anymore, or listen music for music anymore. Or I understand the politics and I understand the side choosing. Whenever a song is good or that good, people sometimes they cloud their vision and they don't know good music. They don't listen good music. They choose what they listen to. And I understand music is very selective to people. People listen what they want to listen, and people don't listen what they want to listen. Matter how it's hard and burden with it. No matter how it's hard and burden with it than a dumbbell. All your weightlifters out there, y'all know what a dumbbell is. No matter how it's hard and burden with it than a dumbbell, bro. A dumbbell, brother. Burden can be way heavy like a dumbbell, brother. The burden so heavy you can't even come off of your back. You can't even let it go, bro. And Alkaline is singing it, metaphorically speaking, dumbbell. The way he puts it together and the play on word. Burden weighter than a dumbbell. Burden and weight and dumbbell. Those keywords. Burden, weight, dumbbell. That's weight. That is weight. Burden, weight, dumbbell. That's 3 weights, bro. That's 3 weights, but it's metaphorically speaking. Burden, burden on your back. Weight, the weight, heavy, life, heavy weight on your shoulders. Dumbbell, lifting weights, bro. This man is different. Like when the light illuminator success, we are radiator. Radiator, bro. Car need radiator. Without a radiator in a car, it can't go on. So man is the same, bro. Like success, we are radiate. Keep going, keep moving. It's like spinning, keeps. Yo, fuck, bro. Man, I go in that song like that. And man, I motivate people with words, brother. The man is like, this man is like the Les Brown to music. This man is like the Neville Goddard to music. This man is like the Zig Ziglar to music. If y'all know, bro. Those are some big motivation speaker, bro. And this is what the name of the song is, motivation, brother. Man, I motivate people through music, brother. Others do it, but not like how this guy is doing it. Not like how. And with words, his words in this song is so futuristic. It's not ready for this time. It's beyond its time, bro. It's so weird. It is so weird. Our song like this, it's chopped. It's so chopped in every way. The ad-libs, the lyrics, everything is connected, but it's so chopped in a way that it seems so futuristic. You can't even understand. You only have to think and listen to it deeply and keenly and get the concept of what he's saying, bro. Pull up the song about that. Pull up the song about that. Every time this song starts and you hear the rhythm and you hear like the person, there's someone in the background, like you're like cops, or wait a minute, like cops. You hear it? Like cops radio, like a police radio or some radio speaking, bro. What's it, dada? What's it, dada? What's it, dada? Man, so you have to steadfast, brother. Steadfast on your dream, on your goals. Focus. All you have to do is steadfast on a thing like to discrepancy. To discrepancy, steadfast with a thing like just going on, bro. Harder. Wow. Feel the pressure, man, I beat it like a sledge. I never need it at the pledge. Concentrate on what you feel. May not drive it to the edge. My words. Yeah. Alright. Attaining, achieving, prevailing. Like when the light illuminate our success. We are radiate. We are radiate. We keep going. We keep going on. Never stop, bro. Like to success, we are ready. That's what we're supposed to do. Life is all about taking risks, bro. And to achieve anything in life, we got to take risks. My lip is so dry, but let me say, life is all about taking risks, bro. Life is all about, you can't just stay there procrastinating in your comfortable shell, not trying to fight, not trying to achieve something, keep going on to whatever. You know what I understand? Alkaline fans are some top tier brains people, or people that are strong, people that take risks, people that they don't lack motivation. They're always motivated to do something, to try something, to go on. And this is the picture he's painting in this song. We've known over the years Alkaline is that resilient type of person, that risk-taking person, and he keeps proving himself to the mass. But hey, he's never gonna stop, bro. Never. Just motivation, inspire. Yo, bro. the way how the man places those in the song, bro. Motivation. Those are ad-libs. Those are ad-libs. And the way he places those key elements in the song. Motivation. Inspire. He's inspiring people. Saying, motivation. Inspire. Yo. Alright. Would you believe in yourself? Listen, you gonna hear it. Would you believe? Would you believe in yourself, bro? No fearing with the up against intruder want to bury out the vision of a make amends. No fearing with the up against intruders want to blurry out the vision. We have to make amends. We have to make amends, bro. We no fear. We know intruders want to blurry out the vision, but we have to make amends. Man's is singing, bro. Man's is spitting gems. Gems for all you out there who wants to hear, who want motivation in your life, who lack motivation. Risk taking, fight the fight, keep going, keep pushing forward.
No fearing with the up against intruder, want to blurry out the vision, have to make amends.
Personal. Go cover the term, you gotta use your inner strength, bro. You gotta be determined. Determined, and with inner strength go up above any challenge. Well, he pal forgive. No must get in return. I saw it go, you know it. I saw it go, but when we live, I just the game, I know it rig. Always a pretty big. A tapes over mid, that's what it is. A tapes over mid. We don't stay low. We don't stay afloat, bro. A tapes over mid, bro. We keep going on, keep reaching higher heights, bro. A tapes over mid, that's what it is. Oh, you cannot like a man like this, bro. You know why they don't like him? Because he's a force to reckon with. He's a column. He's a figure. Bro, he's a monument in this shit, bro. In this industry. He can't be replaced and he can't be removed, bro. He can't. There's no one like him. There's no one before him. Maybe there will be someone after him, but before him, in his prime and the way how he does it, there's no one before him. No one who does it like him in his way, bro. And again, I would say, bro, futuristic. Why? Why an artist like Alkaline remains where he is and keeps going? Because he keeps finding way how to do it futuristically. Futuristic elements and keys that he keeps putting out there in music. People had never heard it before, and people tend to understand that, bro, this man is different. It's either you don't like him or you like him. And it's like you're saying, this man is different. How does he do it like this? The elements that he chooses in music and to use in his music is different from everyone else. Why? People are so pondering and wondering why and how does he do it like that, bro? How? Press. Motivation. Inspire. You know, this is the chorus, right? Press. Motivation. Inspire. Yo. Would you believe in yourself? Those are that's the chorus, bro. And it's so weird how the chorus is so simple but effective. Would you believe in yourself? And may I say, refusal to stay down. Super if them want more, them they think so they get bumblecleat, bro. Who not play with? What are you playing with, bro? You can't play with a man like this, brother. That man refused to stay down. He refused to stay down. Determined, risk-taking, always keep going on. Refusal to stay down. Zoop left them walk away. Them big things to the gear down. Like a car. Zoop left them. Refusal to stay down. Zoop left them walk away. Them big things to the gear down. Beat it. Now the main drum. Now go rectify now. Stay strong. And I tell you the truth. What do you youth? Me tell the killer shoot. Check it out and it a work. I just for dust them off and go on again. Check your heart. Once your heart at work, bro, just dust off the obstacles, dust off whatever in your way and go on again, bro. Never stop. Never stop at them foot and never stop at all. Boom. You hear the person in the back. I think that's Alkaline in the background. But futuristic, as I just said, bro. The person in the background is saying, keep trying. And he's saying it in a lower tone of voice. You just have to pick it out and listen it and listen every key element in that song, bro. Keep trying. Keep trying. I said it in a previous review already, bro. This man is his own element in his music. He's the harmonizer, he's the composer, he's the lyricist, he is everything, bro. He is everything in his music. It would feel like you're hearing him plus another person and another person. Someone who's harmonizing the song. You would think he's not the one, but he is the one. The one. You get it? Like Jet Li in The One. Shit, bro. I'm fitting, bro.
Motivation. Inspire.
Yo. Alright. I forget that part. That part. It is with great delight. And may I say, good evening, thank you. As I've stated, bro, he's speaking to a crowd of people on a podium. He's giving motivation. Yo, this man he's different, brother. Different, brother. The man put himself in other shoes to wear, like a motivational person go up on a podium and speak to a crowd full of students, college grads or whatever it may be, or motivating people in general. And man, I speak to them, and at the end of the motivational speech, the man is saying, and may I say, good evening, thank you. That is so weird, bro. It's a song plus a motivational song at the same time. A motivational speech at the same time. Brother, don't play with the man, dog. Oh shit, dog. The man said at the end, good luck. Good luck. Good luck to y'all lots out there, bro. Good luck to y'all lots out there, bro. Whatever you want in your life, whatever y'all go after, bro. Keep trying. Keep trying, bro. Never stop trying. And good luck to y'all out there. Alkaline different, dog. Different, brother. Now this is what England is waiting to see, bro. He had a show in England once, but it didn't turn out well because it was so overwhelming. There was so much crowd of people. They had expected him to come, but he came, and then the venue couldn't hold him, bro, because he was that banging and that epic at that time. And to see him going there next year, April, bro, it's gonna be the same but a bigger venue, and it's gonna be so impactful, brother. A song like Motivation, brother, it has to be sing there, bro. And it has to be with that effect, that same effect, brother. Dog. The person in the background keeps saying, keep trying. Oh, keep trying. I like harmonized music, bro. I like harmonized music. I don't know. For some reason, I just like harmonized music. But that's the end of this episode. Hope y'all like it. And hope y'all share your thoughts in the comment section. And let me know what y'all think about this song, Motivation. And if you lack motivation out there, bro, this is one of the... I'm giving you the gems. I'm giving you the key to go listen to songs like this and speakers also about motivation, bro. Stay tuned for the next episode and let me know your thoughts. And remember to like, share, subscribe. Peace. I'm out.